Things are looking a little bit calmer here, Darren, aren't they?
Yeah, that snow, it's incredible, isn't it? It was well forecast, but the storm Philomena is actually moving away now, so it will be turning much drier across Spain and indeed across Portugal. Part of the reason there was so much snow was because all the cold air that we've had here in the UK moved further south across western parts of Europe. But the cold air that we've had here is relenting a bit. Certainly today we're going to find temperatures higher. It's going to be milder across the UK, but there's a lot of cloud heading our way, and for some places some wet weather too. But it's been frost and fog that's been a real problem over the past few days. And yesterday the fog didn't lift at all. Temperatures were below freezing all day, whereas today the fog's going to lift and we're going to find temperatures across the board higher. There is still some frost and some fog at the moment across more southern parts of England, and there's the risk of some icy patches also just for a short while across eastern Scotland and perhaps the northeast of England. The fog will lift more readily today, and we should see things brightening up across southern areas, but on the whole there's a lot of cloud coming our way on the westerly breeze. Bit of rain and drizzle as you head further north, and it will get wetter in western parts of Scotland. Temperatures here around 8 degrees, typically at 6s and 7s. The coldest weather, that's probably still in Shetland, where we've got some snow showers today and tonight. But it's rain developing more widely across Scotland overnight, some snow melt threatening some flooding as well. A lot of cloud overnight, but towards the southeast and East Anglia, we've still got that pool of slightly colder air, and any breaks in the cloud, we're going to find temperatures a few degrees below freezing. It's also, of course, going to be cold in Shetland. But there's milder air heading across most of the country for tomorrow as we pick up these west to southwesterly winds. That weather front, though, is going to be crucial. It's the dividing line between the mild air and the cold air that's up towards the Northern Isles. That'll push its way into mainland Scotland, bringing some snow in northernmost parts of Scotland. But elsewhere it's rain. It'll be a wetter day for Northern Ireland, across Wales, the northwest of England. Probably still dry towards the southeast, the East Midlands and East Anglia, and temperatures here up to 7 or 8 degrees. I can't remember the last time it was 7 or 8 degrees here. It's been that cold. Things will get colder though overnight because that cloud and wetter weather will sink its way southwards and will start to bring down a northerly breeze by the time we get to Tuesday. So it'll be potentially a frosty start for Scotland, Northern England, perhaps even Northern Ireland. But a brighter day really, a lot more sunshine around on Tuesday. There'll be the odd shower down those North Sea coasts. More cloud coming back into Northern Ireland and a chance of a bit of rain in the far southwest of England, where temperatures are going to be up to 10 degrees. But elsewhere it will be a chillier day on Tuesday, but we do have the compensation of some sunshine. By the time we get to Wednesday, after a cold start, we're going to find cloud and rain coming back in. That will tend to lift the temperatures, and the rest of the week still looks fairly mild and probably a bit drier as well. But those temperatures are significant. They're higher than they've been for quite some time. Back to you, Tim.
Thank you, Darren. A little bit more clement for people heading out and about during this lockdown period, so that might not be a bad thing.